Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free pets on Among Us. So let's start. First open the App Store. Now search for Pocket Flip app. You will also find this app on Google Play Store. This app is free, so download it and open it right now. This is a task-based app. You have to complete different sort of tasks to earn coins. And with those coins you can earn rewards, just like different sort of gift cards. On the task section you will see different sort of tasks for you, and those tasks have specified amount of coins. If you complete those tasks you will earn the specified amount of coin. And if you go to the reward section, you will be able to buy different sort of gift cards with those coins. Now let's check out the Visa one. Here you can see different sort of gift cards ranging from 5,400 coins to 33,000 coins. Once you buy the gift cards, you will be able to redeem it on Among Us. And that's how you can get free pets on Among Us game. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.